You see? In October, we wear what? We wear pink. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by VavaLash. I will be showing you guys everything that was sent to me. We're going to do a demonstration of the lash trays that were sent to me. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on everything that I received. We have a discount code down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So guys, if you would like to see how I got this nice set with the hit of purple, and this set, and these right here, yes, continue watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at lavishLooks_by_Kiki. But yeah, let's not talk too much. Let's get into the video. So today's video is sponsored by VavaLash, the lashes of the world. You can purchase their lashes on Amazon or directly on their website. This is a great company to get lashes from. They have all the different type of lash accessories that you will need, whether you're a beginner or you're a pro. In the description box below, there will be links to everything that I'm showing you in this box. And if you want to purchase other things, just go on their website. There is a discount code down below so you can get some coins taken off. But let's see what's in this box, guys. Let's check out the goods. So you get a thank you card telling you to leave a review and attach products, pictures, and videos. That's their Instagram and their website, so you can check it out. This is how to become a VIP member. Guys, I'm gonna apologize now because my French bulldog is sitting across from me in her playpen, and she's snoring like a human, and she's not gonna stop. Maybe when she falls asleep, we shall see. All right, let's see what's in this box. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we have some glue rings, and I love these glue rings because they have the slits on the side so that you can perfect your skinny base for your volume fans and your mega volume fans. I'm going to show you guys later in the video how to make volume fans, and I'll show you guys how it works with this for those of you who do not know. Let's see what's in this pretty bag. We have some micro swabs. This is for when you're prepping the natural lashes before you put the lash extensions on. You can also use this for your primer, to apply your primer on the lashes. And if you have the what is it called, sealant that you put on after you're done doing your full sets, you can use this for that too. I have some tweezers. I have 2 volume tweezers. Hold on. Look at these. I don't have no white. I have black tweezers, gold, pink, no white. So check these out. These are the tweezers that you need when you're doing volume fans. This is the other tweezer they gave me. I think they're like the same thing, but it will be the links will be down below for everything that I'm showing you. VavaLash cream remover. What is this? VavaLash Miracle Mega Volume Lash Glue. So yes, most of the lash glues come in 5 ml. There you go. So we're gonna try this out today. We have some blue lash tape. They sent some lash primer, which you know you should use on the natural lashes before you apply them. I apply lash primer to the actual extensions, not to the natural lash. I'll show you what I mean later on in the video, so don't worry. But this is the lash primer. we have some tweezer cleaner. So when you get that glue on your tweezers, you can use this to get the glue off. And even you can use this after you're done with your lash set. You know, you got to clean the tweezers off, everything that you use. Everything got to be sanitary because you don't want to spread no germs. You don't want to spread germs from one client to the next. That's not cool. This is their 3-in-1 practice tray, which when they reached out to me to sponsor this video, I asked, can I try this practice tray out? So I'm happy that I got this. I'm very happy about this. They sent the eye patches. They sent a lot too. So that's cool because you definitely need these when you're doing your lash sets. Last but not least, let's get, you know what? I was gonna say the lashes for last, but you know what? Let's just get into these lashes. So we have Easy Fan lashes right here. 0.05 cc mix. They go from 13 to 20 mm. So that's cool because you know the girls love their long lashes. And then we have some people that like short lashes. I like in between, not too short, not too long. Another pair of Easy Fans, 0.05 C curl. The other one was CC, this one is C curl. And this is 8 to 15 mm. Oh, this is cute. This is Black Pearl. 0.05 D curl. Premium lash extensions. And this one is going from 8 mm to 15 mm. We're gonna try these all out today, so don't you worry. Oh guys, this, when I saw this on the website, I asked for these too because I was like, these colors are dope. I gotta have that. So this is 0.07 C curl, 13 mm. Do you see all those colors, guys? Get into the colors. Ah, they're so nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then there's another package. This, I wonder what's in here. Is the Lashes of the World, and have their website, www.Vava. What the hell just happened? Their website, www.VavaLash.com. Yeah, this is cute. I like the color. Oh, nice. The glue storage. You keep your glues in here so that they last long. Your retention is good. I also have a little thermometer. Let me show you. This is so cute. I have one of these in black, but I'm gonna have to switch because this one is better. It says press. Oh shoot, look. Yeah, I'm about to switch my black one from my black one to this one. Yeah guys, so if you don't have one of these, get you one today. And let me show you what I have. So this is what I use to stay on top of the temperature in the room. So it lets me know comfort, like your comfort. I have a smiley face. What's my temp in the room, and I use this so that I know my glue is good. So if you don't have one of these, you can get this off of Amazon because you want to be careful with your glue. You don't want to ruin your glue. You don't want your glue in a hot area. You don't want it in a real cold area. It needs to be in between because you know your retention. If your glue is no good, how your lash is going to last on your clients. So get you one of these. So now I showed you everything that's in this box. Let's get into making some volume fans with these trays. Alright guys, so check this out. I love this. You can put the glue ring, it has a hole here. You push it inside. You see the glue. You put your lash strip here. You put your lashes on. Turn it this way so you can place the lashes on. When you do your isolation, I put this the wrong way as you can see. Let me fix it. Boom, just like that. This is the Black Pearl 0.05D mix. So we're going to use this tray first. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I use the primer. Shh. Sorry guys. I am trying to get the hang of recording videos with a newborn baby, a 7-week-old, and it's not easy. It's like as soon as I start, my son wants to start. He wants to wake up and start. So I have him in the baby wrap holder and he's still going. So hopefully he let me finish this video. But I'm going to show you guys how I use the primer. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I use the primer. I'm not going to go in depth on how to make volume fans because I do have a video showing you guys how to make volume fans. First things first, brush out the lashes like so. Take your cotton swab. Here's the primer. A little bit, little dot. It's on here, and then I rub it across, just like that. You can put on natural lash. I don't. I put it on the lash extension, and if I have to, I go in with my fan to dry it. So I'm going to show you real quick, for those who do not know how to make a volume fan. I'm going to show you now. And then the rest of the video is just going to be me trying out all the lash trays, and then at the end I'm going to give you my final opinion on each lash tray and what I think you should try. But even if I don't like it, that don't mean that you won't like it. So, you know, you gotta try it out yourself too. So I'm gonna try this one first. So, you know, you go in, you gotta find your sweet spot, usually in the middle. So you're gonna go in, pick up a good amount of lashes. Look at that. And then swipe it right through. You know, you get your isolation tweezer. Make sure you always isolate and place. What the hell? Isolate. Just like that. So I'm sorry guys, but I switched to the silver tweezers and I was able to pick up the lashes better. I was struggling with the white tweezers. I don't know why. I'm gonna try it again. But guys, now just watch and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so I played with each lash tray. Not all four because are both easy fan lashes. So I didn't open both. I just opened one. Usually I'm not a fan of easy fans. You heard that? I'm not a fan of easy fans. But I must say these easy fan lashes were good. It was easy to pinch. The fan came out nicely. Like, it did what it was supposed to do. Okay? It understood the assignment. So look, this is with the easy fans. See, it understood the assignment. You see that? So that was with the CC curl. So you see it gave you a nice curl. And then we added some purple for the girls that like the color. You see? So for my girls that like easy fans, check out VavaLashes and definitely get you some of these lash trays. Even the colored trays fanned nicely. So yeah, I love this. And then I used the black pearl, which is this one. Black pearl. The black pearl. I used black pearl and it understood the assignment as well. Do you see those fans? It's giving. It's giving October. In October we wear pink. That's what it's giving. You see? Yes. All right, so final look, final touches. Yeah, it did its job. I must say, I loved each lash tray, and I'm telling you my honest opinion. I'm not just saying that because the video was sponsored. No, the lash trays did their job. The glue was good. I have no complaints. I had a struggle with the white tweezers at first, but I took my nail filer. Let me show you my trick. And then I was able to grip. So this is exactly what I do. And it did the job. So guys, yes, be sure to go in my description box. Check out VavaLash website. Get you some lash trays. Get you some tweezers. Get you some glue. Get all of it, guys. You will not be disappointed. If you don't have this, go get you one. Like, you need it. It saves your glue. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to my beginners, even to my pros. If you was looking around for a lash company to get lashes from, VavaLash is the place you want to go. Especially if you have classes. Sorry guys, my baby's making noise in the background. Especially if you have classes coming up, get you some trays, get you some glue. I'm pretty sure they probably got mannequin heads and everything. A discount code down below, so you cannot beat that. So guys, make sure you check them out. But before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you ever tried VavaLash lash trays, glue, or any of their products. Let me know down in the comment section. If you like them, if you didn't, what was the issue with the stuff? But if you're gonna go make a purchase, let me know that too, guys. And I will have more lash videos coming your way, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.